just my video, my camera moment. Hi, I am Joanne from Colorido. Today, I know now China is holding two sessions, MPC and CPPCC, but we Colorido are still focused on provide customers good color solutions. Today, I want to tell you our vision. Our vision is to make everybody have the right to enjoy personalized colors. Also, our mission is to provide the best solutions to our customers at all costs. We hope our customers enjoy the colors which printed our printers. Colorido not just sell printers. The main task for us is to provide solutions, printing solutions to our customers, like treatment, after treatment, and all related equipment. We sell SOX printers, but we all sell like UV printers, belt printers, textile printers, and garment printers. But printers usually only one process in whole procedure. In fact, the fabric printer, the fabric procedure is the most complicated procedure because the fabric is so big. Also, usually customers inquiry, they always ask some 2.4 with printers or 3.2 meters with printers. So the related equipment also very big. But here our showroom is limited area, so we don't bring every printers here, but we do sell. We do sell printers. Okay. I want to tell you our hot sale printers is this SOX printers. Also, we have one small UV printers here. Here you can see UV printers UV printers. Yes, this UV printers is small and a flatbed one. For some like wooden things, anything which flat level, then we can print. Also, UV printer, the UV ink is quite sensitive to the sunlight. So we always protect it very well. Here, the SOX printer is quite small, not so big. But the material for SOX is quite a variety. So the SOX treatment, it's like the textile treatment. Everything is similar. I mean, the whole procedure is similar, but the equipment is quite different. Let me show you our pretty socks. This one is the This one is made by nylon, the nylon materials. You can see we print it. Okay, look, when you check the printing is good or not good, besides the design artwork line, the main you should check is the line edge. It's clear or not clear. Also, you will check the color and the darker black color. This is really difficult to print. But you can see the dark is real dark or not real dark. Look here, the line. It's very clean, right? And not